Start.
Okay, students, today our class Pinus leaf anatomy.
Start.
Generally, Pinus plants having the two types of leaves. One is the scaly leaves and another one is the foliose leaves. Shape of foliose leaves all are complete, looks like a needle-like structure. Pinus leaf internal structure shows as a six distinct parts. One is the epidermis, second one hypodermis, third one mesophyll, fourth one endodermis, fifth one vascular bundles, and sixth one transfusion tissue. Epidermal cells is the single layered cells. The shape of epidermal cells covered with the thick cuticle. In between of the epidermal cells having the number of stomata. The stomata are complete as it looks like a sunken stomata. This type of presence of sunken stomata is one of the xerophytic character. So in this type of sunken stomata are complete belongs to the haplocalyx stomata. In the inner side of the epidermis, remaining 3 to 4 layers of hypodermal cells are present. In the place of the corners, having the 4 to 5 layers of hypodermis and remaining part complete filled with the 2 to 3 layers of hypodermal cells. This type of hypodermal cells are complete made with the sclerenchyma cells. In the inner side of this sclerenchyma hypodermis, having the remaining part complete filled with the mesophyll tissue. So this type of mesophyll tissue complete made with the parenchyma cells. But this type of parenchyma cells are complete having the number of infoldings. Due to the season, this type of parenchyma cells is called as placate or armored parenchyma. So when this type of placate or armored parenchyma, presence of placate and armored parenchyma also one of the xerophytic character. In the mesophills, number of canal-like structures are present. This type of canals is called as resin canals. This type of resin canals complete made with the epithelial cells. So in this type of resin canals produce the large quantity of resin in the resin canals or ducts. So this type of resin used in the furniture and varnish industries. Okay. So inner side of the mesophyll, another one layer is present. This type of layer is called as endodermis. In the inner side of the endodermis, having the two vascular bundles are present. This type of vascular bundles looks like as a collateral, conjoined, collateral, open, and endartered vascular bundles are present. So in between of the vascular bundles, remaining part complete filled with the transfusion tissue. Generally, this type of transfusion tissue, instead of the veins, the transfusion tissue presents in the pinus needle. So this type of transfusion tissue made with the three types of cells. One is the albuminous cells, and another one is the tracheal cells, and next one is the sclerenchyma cells. So this type of albuminous cells presents nearby the phloem. So this type of albuminous cells interconnect with the mesophyll and phloem. So this type of albuminous cells transfer the food materials from the mesophyll to phloem. Okay. Next, in the inner, nearby the xylem cells, xylem tracheids are present. This type of xylem tracheids interconnect with the xylem cells and also mesophyll cells. This type of xylem tracheids transfer the water from the xylem to mesophyll tissue. In between of the two vascular bundles, T-shaped sclerenchyma cells is present. This type of sclerenchyma cells mechanical support to the pinus needle. pinus needle shows us some xerophytic characters. There are pinus needles. The cell walls of the pinus epidermal cells is very thick, and also epidermal cells covered with the thick cuticle also. This is the one of the xerophytic character, and the presence of hypodermis also one of the xerophytic character. In between of the epidermal cells, presence of number of sunken stomata. The shape of presence of sunken stomata also one of the xerophytic character. So inner side of the hypodermis, the mesophyll tissue present. This type of mesophyll tissue complete made with the placate or armed parenchyma. So this type of presence of placate or armed parenchyma also one of the xerophytic characters. In the mesophyll, some resin canals also present. This type of presence of resin canals is the one of the xerophytic character. On the inner side of the endodermis, some of the transfusion tissue is present. This type of presence of transfusion tissue also one of the xerophytic character. And finally, pinus foliose leaf looks like as a needle-like structure. This type of structure also one of the xerophytic character. Okay.